another video. So in this video, I am sharing an album that I created. So if you follow me over on Instagram, I made some clips on my Insta stories a week and a half ago, actually Super Bowl Sunday. And it was actually the day before my birthday, and my mom and my sisters came over and we had a really fun craft day. So my husband went to his mom's house to watch the Super Bowl with her. That's like their thing. And so I had my mom and two sisters come over to have a fun birthday crop. And we had a blast. They brought food and snacks and drinks, and we had coffee, and we just had a great old time. So I wanted to craft something that was just something I wanted to do. So I didn't want to, make a craft fair project. I didn't want to have to do like something that I was designing for a tutorial. No, I just wanted to do something I wanted to do. So what I did is I pulled out this Hello Sweetheart collection that I had from last year, and I decided I wanted to kill it and finish it up. And as you can see with those scraps in the corner there, I almost did. And then I used these cute little rings that I got there by Tim Holtz to bind the album. And I made this cute little album. So I also used these white 6x9 envelopes, and they're really fun for some pocket pages. And I use those for my front and back cover. So this is the album, and I just think it's so pretty. I layered all the cut aparts and the scraps of paper. It was so much fun to make. So as you can see, this is the front cover, and I just kind of matted it with the pretty paper. And it's actually a top loading pocket because it's made out of one of those 6x9 envelopes. And I just put in a cream colored cardstock piece for a photo mat because I ran out of design, the design scrapbook paper. And then the next page here is actually what the album has in it. So it's full of these type of pages with the double pocket. So there's a pocket on both sides, and it's made using one piece of 12x12 double-sided scrapbook paper. So I do have a tutorial on this page construction, and as you can see here, also see it has a top loading pocket. But anyways, I do have a tutorial on the construction of this and how to punch the holes and make these pocket pages. So I will link that video below, and if you want to go check it out, you can make this album too. So here is just tons and tons of these adorable journal cut aparts from the collection. I just went ahead and used up every single sheet of paper that I had left. And as you can see, some of these pages are even the double-sided pages with those journal cards on them because I ran out of paper, which is a good thing, right? We're using up our stash. So here's some more cute journal cards. And this is a great project if you want to make a flip book for like a pen pal, or if you want to just shove a bunch of pictures in the pockets or goodies. You can put like pages of bling and doilies and all kinds of stuff in here to share with your friends. But I just went ahead and utilized the rest of the collection and kept it really simple. And I loved making these pages. It was so fun to make the pocket pages. And that flower one right there is my favorite. And I didn't realize that I had two of these girls in the same pocket. So I'm going to do a little bit of shifting around here. There we go. But like I said, that flower paper right there is my favorite. Look at that typewriter. Isn't that cute? And the cactus. So it's this, I think I did, I want to say, I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's a 6 or 8 page album. We'll count as we go here, but I can't remember exactly how many pages it is. I'll have to go back and count. But I just basically took all the full double-sided 12x12 pages that I had left, and I made these pocket pages with them. That's why I didn't have enough scrapbook paper left to make photo mats, but I think the cream colored, plain photo mat is good enough. And I just think that these journal cards are so cute. And here's the last page. I made this, of course, the back cover with one of those 6x9 envelopes. And I added a little piece of paper here to make a side loading pocket. And of course, it's top loading as well with the cream photo mat that I'm getting ready to pull out here. There it is. So I really like that there's lots of pockets and little tuck spots. And so there's the back of the album. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you liked my album. Like I said, I do have a tutorial on the page construction, so I'll link that video below. I hope you're all having a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!